This is the oldest pharmacy.
Oldest pharmacy in town.
Sometimes what I suggest
Dam here. If they didn't have it, wouldn't be able to have boats on the big river here. No fish in the lake because it's so clean, there's not enough food for them. 1370 to the 15th century, the oldest town hall in Switzerland. Walls demonstrated power. It was a show off, they never got attacked. Look how rich we are. There's 45 paintings here about death.
Come and dance. You need to come and dance. Then the death and the dying person are dancing together. Time is insecure. And that there's no hierarchy in front of death, so it doesn't matter if you're rich or poor, young or old, pretty, not so pretty, silly, smart, death doesn't care. So, but we do find a hierarchy in the paintings. It starts here with the Last Judgment, where it's decided whether you go to heaven or hell. And then continues. Here you see the dance of death itself. The figures are dancing counterclockwise because in the hour of death, time doesn't matter. And then it goes down with Adam and Eve being chased out of paradise. Mr. Meglinger, he thought
St.
that
Peter.
he painted so holy paintings, for sure he comes up to heaven. All these paintings are illuminated, and 30 years ago, the same here with the spiders. Here you see the pharmacist. It says down here that I'm chasing away the worms out of the nest, with the whole nest, with all his medicine. He's taking out your bad bacteria or your worms. But death is waiting behind him, so it doesn't matter if you have knowledge about the medicine.
This is a free bicycle pump. Pretty nice. Look at that beautiful building.
So the
Linden
people
tree.
have been asked if they're telling the truth and nothing but the truth. And here they have been sentenced to death and beheaded with the sword.
It's the town hall. Guild Hall of the Bakers. This is where they start their Mardi Gras celebration. It will be full of people to celebrate Carnival. Second biggest carnival in Switzerland after Basel. Shopping street. Look at all the bikes. And up here we have some beautiful flowers. And you can see some of the stores that are on up the street. American flag. First one I think I've seen. In Switzerland, that is. Here we are in Lucerne, getting ready for a cruise on the lake.
Defense towers of the Mosaic Wall, the middle-aged defense system of the city of Lucerne. Then above the city, that fairy tale castle looking like building, that's the Chateau Guch. It's a four-star hotel built in the 1920s.
Transportation Museum in Lucerne has a space capsule from NASA.
See now on our left-hand side, that 6-meter, 19 feet tall statue of Jesus Christ, blessing our lake during day and night. Or like some people are saying, Jesus was a fisherman, he doesn't bless. He shows us how big the fishes are in the lake. He made it. Some of the villas are sold in the last couple of years for 20, 25, 30, 35 million Swiss francs before renovation. Kind of old Germany you're searching for is the lake of the 4 founding states of Switzerland, or the lake of the 4 forest states. the 4 states. Anyway, it's the same 4 states as Lucerne we started from, and then the 3 legendary founding states of Switzerland, Uri.
In it, and it would be all one piece. Nowadays they are travel ready, where you can disassemble them in chunks much easier. And yes, as Marcel had mentioned, they were used for communicating between the villages, between the distances, to let people know if there was danger coming and such. Nowadays it is a musical instrument.
Swiss national anthem.
Doppel. Zwei. Und ja.
Yay!